A dog crate is used either to transport, train or separate the dog for some reasons like anxiety, or sometimes injuries etc. The heavy-duty dog crates are built with some extra features like these are built with strong material, secure lock system, comfortable large space area, with proper ventilation and feeding system. The heavy-duty dog crate makes the dog's life easier until it remains there. In this YouTube video, we are going to explore some of the best heavy-duty dog crates. Check them in the video, and if you like and buy any products, please go to the description area, where you will find the links of all the heavy-duty dog crates, listed in order. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Heavy-duty dog crate built with strong material. 20-gauge steel crate with reinforced 2 doors with safety buckles to ensure safety. Front door for easy access, while the top door is for interacting with your dog. Extremely strong heavy-duty crate with 20-gauge steel reinforced and 0.5-inch diameter steel tube. Easy to clean up, and the floor grate with tray. Premium quality coated in hammer spray with anti-rust feature. Large door opening to help the pet enter easily. Lockable wheel to move the crate easily. Plastic floor grid provide relaxing environment to your pet. Strong heavy-duty crate with escape-proof design with double locking. Comfortable for your dog with optimal ventilation. Provide enough space for large dog. 2 doors, 1 front and second on the side to interact with your dog freely. Having a large front door with 2 security locks. You can open top upper panel to play with your dog. Rust and corrosion-resistant metal material. Fit for dogs up to 70 pounds. Front door with open top make it easier to put dog in and out and feeding. To buy and find the more info about the products, go to the links provided in the description.